Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make crab onigiri. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 6 ounces of cooked crab meat, 2 cups of sushi rice, and several nori sheets. For seasoning the rice, prepare a simple mixture of 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Also, have some mayonnaise and a small amount of sriracha for the delicious crab filling. Now, let's prepare the main components. Cook your 2 cups of sushi rice as directed on the package, ensuring it's perfectly fluffy. While the rice is still warm, gently fold in your prepared rice vinegar seasoning until it's evenly distributed. For the filling, combine your 6 ounces of cooked crab meat with 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of sriracha. Mix it well until everything is thoroughly combined and ready to go. It's time to shape your onigiri. First, lightly wet your hands with water to prevent the sticky rice from adhering. Take about 1/4 cup of the seasoned sushi rice and place it in the palm of your hand, forming a slight indentation. Add a small spoonful of your delicious crab filling into the center. Then, cover the filling with another 1/4 cup of rice. Gently press and shape it into a firm triangle or a neat ball. To finish, take a strip of nori and wrap it around the base of each onigiri. This not only adds flavor, but also makes them easier to hold. Your homemade crab onigiri is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve them immediately for the best taste and texture. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. And hey, for an effortless home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.